A look to the past reveals a journey that has borne rich fruits. CICE has evolved into a dynamic platform over its youthful years. 6 years of transformation have positioned CICE as a pivotal event, driving industrial high-quality development in the world. A global hub for construction machinery brands, continuously surpassing expectations. We claim the top spot in Asia for exhibition space annually, attracting over 40 of the world's top 50 construction machinery brands and hosting numerous Fortune Global 500 companies in Changsha. We energize the global construction machinery market. A premier platform for global debut of construction machinery innovations. We are dedicated to ongoing innovation, emerging as a newcomer among global construction machinery exhibitions. CICE, first promoter of the 3 major themes in the globe: high-end, intelligent, and green. Over 50,000 exhibits were showcased in the 3 editions, including over 2,200 global debut products and over 3,000 new technologies. We witnessed the participation of over 20 academicians, 568 national-level experts, nearly 60 high-level forums, and release of over 300 professional academic reports. We delve into industry development, spurring global updates and iterations in construction machinery products. A compass for the global construction machinery market. It attracts construction contractors, builders, and leasing companies from over 90 countries and regions. The event draws over 5,000 international buyers. On-site orders and procurement amounts continue to soar. A global festival of construction machinery industry. We have successfully stepped out of the initial stage. The vibrant and diverse CICE has become a grand gathering for over 200,000 industry professionals. With widespread media coverage worldwide, CICE's influence continues to expand. We stride forward undeterred by distance. We rise beyond the constraints of time. 300,000 square meters of exhibition area, 1,800 exhibitors, 30 concurrent professional forums, 100 business summits, 300,000 global professional visitors. Let's mark our calendars for 2025 and gather at the Changsha International Construction Equipment Exhibition.